What's up, guys? It's your boy Ricky Ross, back with another video. I want to say thank you to everybody out there watching my video. I truly appreciate it. For those of you out there who don't know who I am, I go by Ricky Ross, Amazon Germany seller. I've been doing this for quite some time, and I do offer a mentorship program. If you're interested, my email will be in the description down below. Awesome. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to get UPS to come and pick up your boxes in case you're doing FBA. Maybe you live in an apartment where UPS is far away from you, or you just don't have a car to drop your boxes off. This video is not just only for anybody selling on Amazon, it's also for anybody out there looking to get UPS to come and pick up. So we're going to hop into my computer and dive into it. All right, come along. Okay, guys, welcome back. So this is assuming that you've already created your shipment and you're at the stage now where you're about to basically confirm and continue. And once you confirm and continue, you're going to get to the point where you want to select the date when you're going to ship this out. Now, the date here doesn't really matter for the pickup. It just, you can put any date here. Now, here is where you want to be careful. Make sure that you select, as you can see, it's giving me an option of UPS and Amazon DHL managed. I selected UPS. That's what I want. The UPS Amazon managed. So once I select that, I come down, I pretty much accept and continue and confirm and, of course, accept the payment. After I click that, the tracking number should now come up because that's exactly what you need. You need the UPS tracking numbers. That's what you need, the UPS tracking number. Wait a minute, it's coming. You don't necessarily need to print your labels out yet. Doesn't matter, you can print it out now or later. I just wanted to show you here. So you click on view tracking. So this is the step where you need to be at. Okay, this is what we need. Exactly, this is exactly where we need to be. Once we have the tracking numbers, we can now take this tracking numbers and go over to UPS and input them into the system. Okay, so we're going to go into UPS now and start inputting those tracking numbers because that's what we need. So guys, before we copy and paste our tracking number, we need to know what the weight of our shipment is. In this example, we have 8 shipments, 8 boxes, the total weight of about 59 kilos. We just need to know it. I just need to keep that in mind because we're going to put that in UPS website. And then we're going to scroll down and go to where your tracking is. And we're going to copy all 8 tracking numbers are going to go to the UPS website. So we copy the first one and then we go to UPS website. That's why I said in the beginning, make sure your UPS website is open. Make sure you go to shipping, click on shipping and click on schedule a collection, and it will bring the screen up, and that's where you can start inputting your tracking numbers. It is with this tracking number that UPS will know that your shipment has already been paid for. So you need to copy all 8 of them. Well, okay, whatever your number is, copy all of them and put them here. As you're putting the first one, make sure you put a comma after the first one and paste the next one. Because if you don't put a comma there, it will think all tracking numbers are the same. So make sure you put a comma after the first one. So however much boxes or shipment, however much your shipment is, just pretty much put all your tracking numbers from Amazon into the UPS website. Okay, so I'm going to make this go faster so we see how it goes. Awesome. So we're done. So we should now move to the next step where we just simply start checking information. My information may be different from yours, but just go through it and like put your phone number if you want to, and just fill out the form wherever you need to fill out. So here's where we need to put the weight of the boxes, the total weight, guys. And like I said earlier, make sure you know your total weight. So that's where the total weight is and how many boxes you're shipping. In this case, we're shipping 8 boxes. And the UPS is asking us what type of service it is. I'm just going to select standard. You can select what you want. And of course, they're asking, is there any box over 32 kilo ounce service? No. And here is very important, the collection date, guys. So this is exactly where you need to tell them what day you want this thing, this box is picked up. They cannot pick up the same day, guy. They'll probably pick up the next day or whatever date you select. And of course, you have to give them a time frame. So here I'm selecting between 9 a.m. and I think I selected 1 p.m. Yeah, it's 1 p.m. But you can see what selections you have. So you just have to pretty much select what time you want them to come and pick the boxes up. Now, this is not guaranteed, guys. It's not like if you tell them between 9 and 2 that they'll be there. Okay, it's just an estimate. They might come early, they might come late, but at least you're scheduled in for a pickup. That's just the bottom line. And if anything, I've had situations where they did not show up to pick up the box, but they sent an email and they came the very next day. So anticipate this type of things, guys, because we're dealing with human beings here. And if you need any special instructions, you can put it here. Like I told them upstairs, please come to the second floor. You could put whatever special instructions here, but there's no guarantee that they're going to follow the instructions, guy, because we're dealing with human beings once again. And I think instructions are pretty much at the driver's discretion. So just try to make your instructions as vague as possible. So here I don't have a reference number, so I'm not going to put any reference number. And here you don't have to. If you want to, you could put an email address where they can reach you and add other email addresses in case you need other people to be informed. And that's pretty much it. You've put the email address, and down below after that, you just click next. Because once you click next, it should then bring you to where you schedule a parcel collection and verify collection request details. So here's where they pretty much give you details of everything that you've inputted. Go through everything, make sure it's correct, your weight, your box numbers, and that's pretty much it, guys. There will be a collection reference number, and I think that's just for your file. You don't really need to give that to the driver. All you need to do is just have your boxes labeled and ready to be picked up. That's it. You don't need to give them any form or anything like that. This is just for your records. You just need to make sure. And down below, it shows that I don't have to pay for this because it's already paid for by in my Amazon account. So like I said before, there is a collection request number up there, but you don't necessarily need that because just have your boxes labeled and ready. And down below, you can also modify or cancel it. In case you made a mistake, you can modify it, or you can cancel the collection entirely. So it's all up to you what you want to do, guys. Okay, that's pretty much it, guys. Awesome, guys. I want to say thank you so much for watching the video. If it was helpful to you, please like it. If you know somebody that needs it, please share it. And if I missed something, please leave a comment. We're all here to learn. Like I always say, sharing is caring, guys. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Once again, I go by Ricky Ross. I'm out.